A high-tech boom gate that prevents drink drivers, this is funny this, if it works it's great, from exiting car parks is set to be installed in Melbourne over the next few months. It's called Alco Gate, Tone.
Yeah, well, look, maybe some can have it in their own driveway, Tim. I don't know, but look, anything that can actually curb drink driving, I think, is a great thing. How this is going to work, it's great in theory. Put it in practice, I'm not too sure. But look, let's trial it. I mean, why not? Let's trial it. I'm not entirely sure how it's going to work with P-platers. They have a zero limit, of course, when it comes to alcohol. If they've had something hours before, how are they going to be tested? So anyway, look, I think it's a great thing. If it works, then let's have it at Crown Casino. Let's have it at pubs and clubs and everything else, and give it a go. I mean, if it can take one drunk driver off the road, then you might say it's a success.
Yeah, exactly. And look, I hope it does work.